Hello guys, welcome back in my world, and today I'm gonna show you another mini Lego gun. So today it's a sniper. So first I'm gonna show you the scope. Scope is pretty easy, just need these pieces. Yeah, pretty clear that. Okay, next thing is the scope. It's a bit hard. Here you go. So actually I put this one here. 2x2 plate there, and 2x4 plate here, and what's this again? 8x8 plate. So I think it's a 6x6. Yeah, it's a 6x6, and two more 4x4 plates here, and a 2x2 here. So after that, build this one. Oh, it is a 2x2 plate, and yeah, this is a 3x3 plate. So here it is. So actually, put that there in the side. So we're done building that. Need to build the body. So this is how you do it. This is a 2x6 block here. I'll show you. Here it is. And yeah, these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you need 2x10 piece here. Show you. There you go. Two of these stuck together like this here. There you go. Like two of them. So actually, I'm gonna show you how to build this one. It's pretty easy. You need kind of this piece and this kind of piece inside, and this one here. Put that together like this. So after building that, you actually need to put back this like that. There you go, like this. After that, for this one, make sure it's this way, this way, and put the scope. You can do this way or that way, it's fine. I'm gonna put this way actually. There you go. So after building the body and the scope and other stuff, and the bullets, just need 2x2 blocks together. It's pretty easy. Put it here. After that, finally get this one. It's kind of pretty hard to build, so it's hard to put. That's why I actually put this instead. This one too. Don't know what is this, but yeah, put it in the end. That, and lastly put it here. Here. So after putting that, here it is, a Lego mini sniper. So thanks for watching. Watch my videos and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channels and other channels. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.